to do and explain everything, it's actually very, very quick. It's very simple. There's a toolbar on the left. If I grab the first one, that's a pen. When I find the pen, I can just use my finger. I can write hi. Down below the pen, there are arrows. So I can make an arrow. I can make them go any different direction that I want. Below the arrow is a text box. So I can type in and use text. Below the text box there's a plus button, which is insert an object, and so I can go insert a picture, a file, a new browser, so lots of different things that I could insert. If I don't like what I did, there's a little X, so I can click on something and then I can actually just delete that. There is a little tracker button that just gives you this nice little red tracker if you want to draw attention to something. There is an information, so if I tap on an object I've put, I can do all kinds of different tasks with that object. There is an undo button, and then there is a hey, let's look closer, and I can take this whole thing, I can move it around the page if I need to get more room to do something, and then I can minimize the toolbar so that it's much smaller on the other side. I can add a new page. When I add a new page, if I want to do a math problem, I can grab my pen, I can do a 4x plus 2 equals 10. If I'm doing math, I can change colors so that the students can see the different operations. So I have to get the x's on one side, so now 4x equals 8. I can change colors again. Now I need to get the variable by itself, so I'll divide. So I'll divide by 4, and then I get my x equals 2, and so I can put that right on there. As soon as I add another page, I can change whatever color I want. Again, I can go in, I can insert an object, insert a picture from what I have. So I'll insert this nice little goofy picture of myself. All I have to do is hit done, and there it is. Now, it's pretty simple, it's pretty easy. I can, as I need to add, I can add as many different objects, as many different lengths. I can actually add a sound in if I want to add a sound. So we have to watch out for copyright laws, but I can actually go up and put my new favorite song that is my mantra for the year, and some people have more music than I do. Some people will have less. And now I don't see my song, which is going to mess me up. There we go, nothing more. Add that sound file. So there are just all kinds of things to do with EduCreations. It's very quick, it's very simple, and then when I get done, I can export it to the camera roll, photo to mail, PDF to iBook, lots of different places that I can export, and then I can also export it as a movie. So those are just some very quick, easy things that we can do with Explain Everything.